Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today, let's learn how to add related posts to your blog. It's very quick and easy. So on your blog post editor, simply go to the settings button on the left. Scroll down to the very bottom and under related posts, click on choose posts. A pop-up will appear. Simply select all the posts here that are related to the post you're working on and click on done, so that after readers finish reading this post, your selected posts over here will be recommended to them, possibly increasing the chances for them reading another blog post on your site, helping you get more readers for your blog posts. Don't forget to click on save to save your changes. And if your blog post has previously been published, click on publish again for the changes to take effect on your live post as well. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. See you guys in the next video.